After battling the frustrating HDMI 2.1 Vrr 120Hz black screen problem myself and trying countless solutions, I finally uncovered several working approaches that I'm eager to share. This video offers the definitive guide to fix ME21 Vrr 120Hz black screen bug on Linux. First, updating your graphics drivers is often crucial because outdated software can't properly communicate with new hardware features like VRR, leading to display glitches. Keeping drivers current ensures your system understands how to handle these advanced display technologies. Next, adjusting kernel modules helps because the Linux kernel directly manages how hardware interacts. Sometimes, specific module settings need fine-tuning to correctly enable HDMI 2.1 features, preventing the black screen by allowing proper signal handshakes. The third method involves overriding EDI information. This is important because your monitor tells your computer what it can do through EDID data. If this data is corrupted or misinterpreted, manually providing correct display information forces the system to use the right settings, thus avoiding compatibility issues. Finally, checking your HDMI cable and ports is fundamental. A faulty cable or a loose connection can physically disrupt the high bandwidth data required for 120Hz VRR, causing the screen to go black. Ensuring a secure, certified cable and a clean port establishes a reliable physical link for your display signal.